In today's video, I am going to teach you how to detect students cheating on Google Forms. Start by opening your Google form in the editor view. You should be on the page where you can see your questions and settings. To add cheating detection features, we will use an add-on that can help with things like timers and proctoring signals. In the top area of Google Forms, open the Add-ons menu and select Get Add-ons. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for tools that connect directly to your form. In the search bar, type Highlight. As results appear, look for an add-on called Timer plus AI Proctor Limiter for Forms by Quilgo. Click into that result. You will see the add-on page with information about what it does, including monitoring behavior that may indicate students are leaving the form, switching tabs, or taking actions that can be flagged for review. Select the Timer plus AI Proctor Limiter for Forms add-on again on the listing page to continue, then proceed through the installation flow. During setup, Google may ask you to approve permissions so the add-on can work with your form. Read the permission prompts carefully and continue when you are ready. As you move through the setup screens, click Next to advance. If you see areas that need confirming, such as selecting an account or confirming access, complete those prompts and continue forward. These screens can look slightly different depending on your organization settings, but the general flow is the same. You confirm, then you move to the next screen. After the installation finishes, return to your form. Open the add-ons area again so you can find the newly installed Quilgo tool. Click on Timer plus AI Proctor Limiter for Forms to launch it. This is where you will be able to enable the features that help detect suspicious behavior during a quiz or assessment. When the tool opens, continue by clicking through the remaining prompts in the add-on window until you reach the area where the add-on is ready to use with your current form. Make sure you stay in the same form you plan to assign to students, since the add-on settings apply to the form you have open. Once the add-on is active, you are set up to start using its proctoring and limiting features to help detect possible cheating patterns during submissions. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.